Hello and welcome to another video of my vlog. This time I fixed a really quick issue we saw on the previous video, that when we were playing in co-op mode, that if one of the player dies, that the whole server will respawn. And I was wondering, how's this happening? Why is it happening? Because deathmatch is working quite well. So first I need to understand what actually is happening once the player died. So we take a look in the game code. So there's a function named respawn, which is, like the comment already says, it's called by client kill and dead thing. If the co-op's flag is set, we gonna put the player back into the game. This is the same kind of logic that's happening if a deathmatch is set. But for some reason, in our case, the game code would call restart in a console. So I was looking at, okay, maybe there's some issue here. Maybe this doesn't make any sense. So I checked what is happening if you issue restart. And restart simply would respawn the server with the same map name it's already running. So I thought, like, okay, maybe there was an oversight when I was splitting up the dedicated server from the whole game when I introduced a dedicated. But turns out no, because if I comment out this function call, once you died in the game, you cannot respawn. So the game kind of soft locks. So I was like, okay, maybe that's not the right approach. I was rereading the code again, and I thought, like, okay, co-op, it has to be set. And then on a second glance, I realized, oh, co-op is actually a global variable. So is deathmatch. Maybe it's not set somewhere properly. So yeah, the traces led me to the server code, actually to spawn server. And there is one part which is actually setting the co-op value on the world spawn entity. So this end is server addict 0, which is world spawn. And for some reason it is setting. I then confirmed, yes, it is setting, but again, this is not using the field on world spawn. It's a global variable here. So I added it back in. So there's one structure which is manipulating all the variables, and in the game code, I will explain how this works in a different video, because this is a huge beast. And when I introduced this, maybe it's an oversight. I copy pasted the wrong thing, but anyway, I put back the setting, the right variable, the global state variable here. Also did it for the sake of completeness for deathmatch as well. And turns out this was the issue. It's not working. And let me show you if I get killed here. Damn. So previously, if I press the spacebar now, the whole server would respawn. So this player on the right hand side, he would also reconnect. Bam, we are respawning now. So the code is working now. So yeah, this was a quite trivial fix. I thought it would be more complicated, but turns out it's quite easy, and that's it. And what I also tested, I started the game in shareware mode, actually. I hope I started it in shareware mode. Let me reconnect. Yeah, shareware version. It's working with shareware as well. So this means I can deploy the game and the dedicated server somewhere on the internet without potentially having some piracy issues. So because some people were asking where can I play your part, and yeah, I'm happy to put it online, and I'm happy to configure it in a way that you can actually play it together with people using the co-op mode and the shareware game data. So yeah, that's it from this video, and I hope that it was a little bit insightful. And like I said, soon I will make a more in-depth video on all the things which are actually related to modern JavaScript and breaking off, dusting off some of the mold way code has gotten over the years. Because yeah, there are so many shortcuts which made sense back in the 90s, but nowadays you can use more high-level language features to achieve the same in a more convenient way. So yeah, please stay tuned. Please stay subscribed, and yeah, I hope I will be able to release another video sometime soon, and have a good one.